There is a habit within you that greatly annoys God. It could be a behavior, thought pattern, or action that goes against His teachings and principles. It is important to identify and address this habit as it hinders your relationship with Him. Seek His guidance and wisdom to recognize and overcome it. Embrace transformation and align your life with His will. Remember, His love is unconditional, and through sincere repentance and growth, you can mend the relationship and find forgiveness. Strive to live in harmony with His desires, knowing that He desires the best for you. If you believe, type Amen.